In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up automated IT tasks with GoTo Resolve, a powerful software designed to simplify and streamline IT management. Whether you're handling IT remotely or managing multiple systems, this tool can save you time if you know how to set it up correctly. Stick around because by the end of this video, I'll also share some of the top alternatives that might just be a better fit for your needs. First things first, let's dive into the GoTo Resolve platform itself. Setting up automated IT tasks in the software is relatively straightforward, but there are a few key steps you need to get right to unlock its full potential. Start by logging into your GoTo Resolve account, where you'll be greeted by a dashboard that organizes your devices and services. From here, you can access your automation features. Next, let's talk about creating your first automation task. GoTo Resolve allows you to automate repetitive IT tasks like patch management, system monitoring, and software updates. To get started, navigate to the Automation section and click on Create Task. Choose the type of task you want to automate. Say, you want to schedule software updates or deploy security patches automatically across all connected devices. Set the parameters, such as the time of day and frequency, and you're good to go. This is a great time saver, but there are a couple of downsides to note. While GoTo Resolve is good at handling basic automation, it lacks more advanced customization options that some competitors offer. The fourth thing to note is its integration capabilities. GoTo Resolve can integrate with other IT tools, which is crucial for businesses that rely on multiple platforms. You can set up automated workflows that trigger based on certain events, such as when a new device is added to the network. This level of flexibility is great, but some users find that the integrations can be a bit tricky to configure, especially if you're working with non-standard tools. The fifth thing you'll want to know is about its security automation. GoTo Resolve helps you secure your network by automatically running security checks and ensuring all connected devices are up to date. It's a handy feature, especially if you're dealing with remote systems. However, it's worth mentioning that GoTo Resolve security automation isn't as robust as some more specialized IT management software. If you're looking for advanced security options, you might find GoTo Resolve lacking in this area. Let's switch gears now and talk about the interface. GoTo Resolve has a clean, user-friendly interface. It's intuitive for beginners, but if you're managing a larger network with complex needs, you might find it a bit limiting. The lack of deep customization could be a deal breaker if your tasks are too intricate for its basic automation features. While GoTo Resolve offers essential tools, power users may feel restricted in terms of scaling tasks efficiently. Now, here's the big reason to stay with me. While GoTo Resolve is good for automating basic IT tasks, there are some alternatives that do a better job of streamlining IT management for larger teams or more complex needs. These competitors offer more flexible automation workflows, better integration with external tools, and deeper customization options. And the best part? I've secured an exclusive extended free trial for these alternatives, so you can try them out with no commitment. To summarize, GoTo Resolve is a solid option for automating IT tasks, but it does have its limitations, especially when compared to some competitors. If you're looking for something that can scale better with your needs, I'd recommend checking out these alternatives. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Try them out and see how they work for your business.